knock. Good. Now remote start. I'm so hot. Before switch on manually, I can remote start condition. It will be fantastic. I hope that I can get a mobile app system. I can use a mobile phone to control this air condition. I can turn on the air condition. It is very good for me. But now it is so trouble for me. It's very trouble. I must turn on the air conditioner manually. No remote start and no app start. So now it is very hot for me. It's very trouble. I must turn on window. I must pull down a window. So it's okay, but I must wait some time. And I must buy Cardot mobile app system to control the car. Okay, thank you. App start. Good. Very good. Mobile, shake, unlock. Very good. Oh, so good. Air condition is on automatically. I don't need to use this smart key. I don't need to push start button. I only use this mobile app start. It's good, it's better, it's very convenient for your life, for your drive. And the air conditioner is on automatically. So I'm so comfortable, I'm so cool, I never feel be so hot. Very good. This is the Cardot app. Unlock, lock, trunk, and finding. Now I just use app start and this is engine running. This is icon. It means engine running. This is Bluetooth, the GSM GPS. Slide the second page. This is history, GPS tracking. And operation record. This is a voice monitoring feature, and this is alarm notification. You will get that. And this is very good. Please buy Cardot app. Very good. Don't need to change the smart key. Don't need to change the sleep button. This one. Okay, this one. Sleep button is original. Don't need to change. Smart key don't need to change. You only buy this mobile app system. Our Cardot app system is compatible with your original start-stop systems. Very good. Thank you.